Alright boys, welcome back to the Cryptid Fettucini cooking show. Christmas special! Hey guys, it's me, Mateo. It's Marshall the chef. It's Jeffrey the boy, who's ready for another episode of the cooking show. But first, gotta recognize our new sponsor, Sprite Cranberry. It's the thirstiest time of the year.
It's the thirstiest time of the year. Yeah! I have just one query. What is Sprite Cranberry?
The answer is clear.
It's the thirstiest time of the year.
Oh. Alright, that's it. Alright, Marshall, so what are we making today?
Okay, so since it's Christmas season, a lot of people are going to be making Christmas cookies in the upcoming month, and some of our favorites are sugar cookies with buttercream frosting, so that's what we're going to be making today.
Alright boys, it's time to cook. Marshall, give us the breakdown.
Alright, we got great ingredients today. Jeffrey, you want to go look at them?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so of course we have butter, some good softened salted butter, and then, actually it's unsalted. We got flour, sugar, eggs, powdered sugar, vanilla extract,
It's in the game.
sea salt, and vanilla extract. And then we have baking powder and food coloring. And then we have sprinkles for aesthetics, and that's all we need today. And the appliances we need are going to be an oven and a mixer and a cookie sheet and a bowl.
Alright boys.
That's it.
Alright guys, now we have the ingredients. It's time to actually start cooking.
Okay guys, it's time to cook. So we're going to need a couple ingredients for this. We're going to need 4 cups all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 3 cups powdered sugar, and 2 cups granulated sugar. So those are all the dries. We're going to mix those in first. We'll be back when we've done that. Okay, guys, now we got all the dries in. Now we're going to put some of the wet. So 3 eggs.
Just say it.
Alrighty guys, now that we're back, we are going to start, everything's in. We added 6 tablespoons of milk, so now it's nice and separated. We're are now going to take a handful and put it on the cookie sheet and make cookies. Okay, alright, welcome back guys. Right now what we got to do is cut up the cookies. So first, so it doesn't stick to the table, we're going to dump some flour on the table.
I like flour.
And then we're going to spread it out. So I just want to get a handful of flour in here and just start spreading it out.
Oh man. Yeah, I want to try. I want to grab some. I want to get some of that white fuel.
We don't need that much.
Yeah.
Yeah, just wait.
That white pasta.
Okay.
Okay.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Alright, welcome back everybody. Now that the flour is evenly spread out on the table, now we're going to put the cookie dough on to get it all rolled out. So,
Can we just get a glob?
just take a glob and put it on.
How big should the glob
Just
be?
doesn't matter, we need to get all of it on, so.
Got it.
Now I'll go get the roller.
Now, do we need the dough?
Yeah.
We do.
No, we don't need it. Alright guys, now that we're back, the dough is floured and ready to be rolled out. So Mateo, you want to start rolling the dough?
Alright.
It's always my second favorite part.
What's your first favorite part?
Cutting them out,
That's crazy.
because it's cool.
Can I try? Snowman?
Yeah. Well, actually,
I don't wanna
we gotta
roll.
roll it all out first.
I just want to
What's the thickness we're looking for here,
So
Marshall?
we're looking for like We're looking for about a half an inch.
No, that's way too thick. Our cookies, when you cook them, they're gonna expand.
It really depends on what you want.
Bo, you aren't the master. Marshall's the master.
0.2 inches is the exact measurement.
Do you want thick cookies that like have a lot of cookie, or do you want thin cookies with a lot of icing? That's the question you gotta ask yourself. And if it's thick cookies, do like a fourth to a half an inch. And if you want thin cookies with a lot of icing, then I say like a fourth of an inch. So there you go.
Alright, so now it's time to cut the cookies. So as you see, just put the cutter down. Push it. Easy. Oh, can we kill him? Just take the audio out of this part, Liam.
We just play some cool, like, Lil Pump music or something.
Do like a time lapse.
Can I have that little spec?
TV on the beat. Alright, Hollywood is on this shit.
Mateo, I need the spatula. Pass the email.
Wow, looking nice.
I need the spatula.
Oh, all the way to this skid it. Hopping out the rave and skid it. Smashing on that bitch and skid it. Run to the check with no limit. Popping on X, popping on X, popping on.
Hey guys, it's time to put the cookies in the oven. We've all been waiting. Now let's do it.
Do not mind the hour.
Yay!
Woo! Buddy, that's hot.
Look at the time.
What's the time?
10:42. We are now on hour 5.5 of this cooking adventure. Takes longer when it's on camera.
And all we are doing are making cookies.
It's very true.
Second batch in the oven.
And
Yay!
Wait, you're supposed to bring that tree up.
it's okay. Oh no!
Turn the oven off.
Marshall! Get out!
Take them.
Oh my god! I got the cookie. I leave you guys to cook another minute.
Get an oven mitt.
Where's the oven mitt? You gotta get
Put
that
this
out.
on! Put them back in!
We gotta get no, stop. We gotta
Get them in!
We have to
Get them in!
We have to get that.
It's cooking on the water. That's
Take
not
it!
oven.
Take it!
Can't get the stocking on an oven yet.
That's a good idea. Jake, seriously, Bo, we gotta get them out.
Get them!
Okay, they're out. We're
There's one in the middle! No! No! Oh, no!
No, you have to bring the tray out.
Oh my god, I love this so much.
This is bad. This is bad.
We got problem code red.
Go red! I can't do anything! This is the end of my line, bro. This is the end of my bag, bro.
Warning, warning, warning.
Hello, this is the Cryptid Fettucini Sports Show with your host, Bo O'Leary, your secondary host, Jacob Nye, and your junior assistant host, Marshall Welges.
Hello.
What are we going to talk about today, Marshall?
We're gonna talk about the top 4 teams in college football after this weekend, and we're also gonna be talking a little bit about basketball, right, Jake?
Yes, basketball indeed.
All right. So, Jake, who do you think is gonna be in the playoffs this year after this weekend of exciting games?
Well, I think Alabama's going to win the whole thing, but
Okay.
so Alabama's definitely going to be in the playoffs. Appalachian State is going to make a return
Okay.
and be in the playoffs.
Jake, did you realize that Appalachian State has already lost 3 games, and they are not even ranked, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But they'll come back.
We can do it.
Yeah.
If every single team in front of them dies
I mean,
at once,
Penn
then-
State can suck that much and still get a good play every once in a while.
Okay. Point taken.
All right, so my 4 teams are going to have to be Alabama, Georgia, UCF, and Ohio State. And UCF's going to win it all because
Clemson's not in
Florida
there.
time. No, Clemson sucks.
Yeah.
I hate Clemson. Dabo Sweeney is horrible. I hate him.
That's fair. That's fair.
All right, you go.
All right. I'm thinking Alabama number 1, Clemson number 2, USC. I mean UCF number 3, and Ohio State number 4.
Now, are you going to be placing money on this?
No.
Will we? Oh, I'm placing money.
$1 million on Appalachian State winning it for all time.
Yep.
Oh, no.
I'll go into it.
Oh.
All right. Now, I heard we were gonna talk about basketball.
Yep.
Take it away, Jake.
Kareem Hunt assaulted a woman, got cut from the Chiefs, but that's for later. Kyle Korver was very good.
but he also got traded from the Cavaliers. And that
Cal
is
Korver hit 3-pointer on his first play of the Denver Nuggets, and that will be it. Now I'm going to be Swish Kobe out here like a boss. Oh, my cookie.
We can bleep that one because we are a PG channel here.
I would
Fuck
also
you, Jake.
like to bring up
Really
a
bleep
little
Fuck
bit
you,
of...
Mark. It's over!
No, it's not.
I would also like to bring up a little bit of professional
Dude,
football.
shut the fuck
At
up.
the beginning of the season,
Oh, shit, we're
Sam
still going.
Darnold's first play.
No, we
We're
are
not
still going this. This is my
You're
show.
not going?
We got another 5 minutes of airtime.
What's up, everybody? We're now gonna make some frosting. This is gonna be epic.
This frosting is going to be spectacular.
It's gonna be amazing.
Awesome!
It's going to make or break the cookies.
So right now, we're
It
gonna
is
put
gonna
in
be.
1 whole cup of butter. So we have these conveniently packaged butter that's half a cup each. Put 2 of these in. Boom, bing, bam, boom.
Zitty pop pow.
We got 2 cups of butter in here. See that?
Insane.
Now, we're gonna put in 8 ounces of cream cheese.
Can I put it in?
Do you want to put it in?
Right.
Awesome.
You need scissors.
This is the behind the
Scissors.
scenes edition.
All right, skizzers. Okay. This is
Never have a dirty workplace. Number one
It's,
rule.
is this 8 ounces?
Dirty workplace,
Do I just put
no
all of it in?
organization, no cooking.
People you see here are usually behind the camera, but now they get to be the real chef.
Because I'm
Yeah.
All right,
head
all
chef.
this is going in.
Bo, you interrupted me.
Okay, everybody. Now we're gonna put the frosting in the butter and the cream cheese. So we're just gonna pour the bag in,
We're gonna put the
just like
frosting in
that.
it.
Nice and ashy. See that? Okay.
It's like Mustafa's legs.
Okay, now,
wait, no, the cat.
now, this is not. We're gonna add a little bit of vanilla because vanilla gives it that nice, authentic taste.
Who said that?
Can you sh-
We went upstairs so we can use the hand mixer. So it's time to get mixing.
Like a boss.
So what you want to do is you're going to first start off at a low speed, so 1 or 2. And then you're going to put it in there, and you're going to start mixing. It's going to start to get nice and creamy.
You're really gonna have to mash that butter stick.
The butter should be lightly softened, but not too soft that it's melted. So this is pretty good consistency right now. And we're just going to keep doing this. We're going to keep doing this until it's a perfect process. See you there. Now that the butter, cream cheese, and vanilla are all mixed together, now we're going to add some milk in. Would you like to do that? Do the honors? Would you like to
How
mix it,
much
Bo?
milk? How much milk?
I can do it. Or just a little bit. Slightly put it in. I'll tell you when. That's good right there for now. And we add in to taste. So if you want a little bit more, add a little bit more. But it's looking good right now. If there's too much milk, add a little more powdered sugar. If there's not enough milk, add a little more milk. It's perfect. It's looking good right now. We're gonna
like
keep
a
mixing.
symphony.
We're gonna keep
It's
mixing
awesome.
until it's perfectly together. Okay, see you then. Gee whiz, we really got it smooth. Smooth as a baby's behind. So as
Wow.
you can see right there,
That looks
it's looking
amazing.
nice and good. And now, if you want, it's optional, you can separate them to dishes and add food coloring. This is very helpful if you want to do decorative, happy Christmas colors.
Okay. Like to talk?
Yeah.
Once depressed, I am now happy. Because of Christmas cookies. Yay!
This is looking really good. Okay, well, we're gonna keep frosting until they're all done.
Hey boys, so here we are with the icing, ready to get iced up, slide up to get iced up. Like, remember? Stop it.
Yes.
I made this one.
He's right here. He's being very
Now
good.
watch me do this. It's called art. See.
Wow, this is really fun. Well, everybody, Merry Christmas.